Item Number, YOS-2965. Object Class, Euclid. Containment Procedures, YOS-2965-1 is to be closely monitored via drone footage for any change in behavior from YOS-2965-2. Vessels that are moving near YOS-2965-1 are to be redirected or sent to nearby land, and the civilians on board are given Class B amnestics. In the event YOS-2965-2 changes behavior, it is to be reported to MTF Unit 79, Sea Dwellers, and is to approach YOS-2965-1. No harmful force is to be used on YOS-2965-1 under any circumstances. Description: YOS-2965-1 is a specimen of great white shark, currently situated in the Pacific Ocean. YOS-2965-1 does not engage in the same activity as other members of its species, instead relying on moving aimlessly through the ocean, and does not show hunger under normal conditions. YOS-2965-1's mouth never opens, regardless of the condition and area it is in. Instead it seems to be forced closed, as if something is inside of the mouth. YOS-2965-1's mouth seems to contain a nude humanoid entity, designated as YOS-2965-2, and it seems to be trapped inside of the subject. YOS-2965-2 seems to be attempting to free itself from YOS-2965-1, and attacks it from the inside, remaining inside the mouth at all times. YOS-2965-2's attacks can be heard as it continuously releases loud sounds of flatulence and defecation, attacking it with its feces. Despite this, YOS-2965-1 doesn't seem to notice this, nor react to it at all, and keeps its mouth sealed at all times. YOS-2965-2's attack seems to be limitless, as it has not run out of flatulence and feces prior to its discovery. It is unknown how YOS-2965-2 ended up getting inside YOS-2965-1, or when it ended up getting trapped, but it is believed that it got stranded in the Pacific Ocean and was eventually found by YOS-2965-1 and got trapped. YOS-2965-1 came to the Foundation's attention when people on vessels noticed traces of fecal matter floating on the surface of the water, and heard faint sounds of flatulence. MTF Unit 79 was dispatched and tracked the source of the material, eventually leading to the shark, and reportedly heard loud sounds of flatulence. Fecal matter was noticed leaving the mouth of the animal, and the team later assumed that a human is inside it and is still alive. The animal seemed to ignore the team who went near it, and continued swimming aimlessly without ever stopping. After the discovery of the subjects, it was given a designation, and was closely monitored. Addendum: YOS-2965-2 seems to look like a nude African American male, but DNA of its fecal matter did not match any known human existing. It is assumed that YOS-2965-2 is not a human who got trapped, but is something else entirely, even though its features were entirely human. Addendum 2: if the fecal matter were to spread further out into the Pacific Ocean, it could result in the ocean becoming entirely contaminated if it does not decompose in the near future. A proposal is being reviewed if Foundation personnel are to explore around the ocean to remove fecal matter from the ocean in order to prevent complications from happening.